Oh, hello there, boys and girls. Pleased to meet you all. My name is Mystery Math Man, and I come all the way from Germany to help Mr. Leggett teach you math. And our lesson today, I believe, was on telling time. So I'm going to draw a clock up here. This is not the copycat time, like Mr. Leggett says. The copygatson time. No, this is just the listen and learn time. I'm making my clock right now for you to listen and learn about telling the time. So here's a clock. Yes, you've been studying about this, so you know all about the clock. And this is what we call the analog clock. I want you to say analog at home. Say it right now. Say analog, analog, analog. You're used to the digital clock that tells you there's the time right there. But now we must learn about the analog clock, because the analog clock will teach you all sorts of wonderful math concepts, especially multiplying by 5. And that's what you need to learn. Let's say, for example, maybe you're in London, England, and you look up at Big Ben. He's not digital, he's analog. He's a big clock in England, London. And you say, I can't tell the time. And the people say, well, didn't they teach you that in school? Well, I'm here to teach you, to help you understand the analog clock. And it'll help you with multiplying 5s. So here we go. Let's say it's 12 o'clock. And let's say the minute hand in kindergarten, which means children's garten in German, you called it the big hand, but we call it the minute hand because it keeps track of the minutes, not the hours. The little hand, that's what you called it in the kindergarten, was what keeps track of the hours. But this keeps track of the minutes. And that's pointing at 2. What does that mean? Does it mean 2 past 12 o'clock? No, you know better. All you have to do is say, it's on the 2, so I'm going to multiply 2 times 5. What does 2 times 5 equal? Well, it equals the 10. So then you would say, if the little hand was pointing towards the 12, the hour hand, not the little hand, that's kindergarten talk, you are big third graders, you would say, is 10 past 12? Yeah? Yeah. Let's say the clock, we'll ignore that for a little bit, and the minute hand is pointing at the 5. This is why Mr. Leggett showed you that number line so many times. Well, you would say, okay, it's not 5 past 12. 5 past 12 will be up here with the 1 times 5. No, this would be 5 times the 5. In German we say 5 times 5, and that would equal 25, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we could say it's 25 minutes past 12 o'clock. Or we all could say 12:25. Let's go a little bit further. I know you've been doing climbing up the hill on the Nearpod. And let's say if the minute hand was pointing directly at the 8, ox in German, we would say, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, or 8 times 5 equals 40. So we would say the time is 12:40. Do you understand that? I hope you do. I hope this helps you out. And let's take a look at one more. Minute hand, hour hand, excuse me. The hour hand's still pointing between 12 and 5. And let's put the big hand on the 11. Well, what's 5 times 11? Well, excuse me, I want to do 11 times 5. What would 11 times 5 equal? Well, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It's 55. So it'd be 55 minutes past 12, almost 1 o'clock. Because as soon as that hour, the minute hand hits here, and here, it hits here, excuse me, it would be 1 o'clock. So, I hope you enjoyed my lesson. I'll see you next time on another student debrief. I am Math Mystery Man, and I want you to learn all about the math.